Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flight status button. So you can do that both ways. So you can give the flight number, the origin country and the date, or you can set the origin country, the destination country and the date. So just do the one that you want, and then just click on the get status button, and there's not available information for this flight status, so then just try again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.